Mr. Rajesh, owner of RK Two-Wheelers Workshop in Singanallur, Coimbatore. Mr. Rajesh is the successful entrepreneur in Coimbatore. He studied till 12th standard and he is not interested to continue his graduation because he had so much interest on mechanical field. That's the main reason he quit his graduation. In 2006, he joined as worker in Sri Murugan Auto Workshop. In 5 years, he worked hard and understanding mechanical field consequences, gathering a lot of experience and information. He loved his job, that's the reason he learned a lot more information from his owner. Using his talent, intelligence and hard work, in the short term he became into a head position with the help of his owner, Mr. Murugan's motivation. He yet to started his dream business with inspired words of Mr. Murugan. Mr. Rajesh's journey have been begin in the year of 2011. He successfully started business in his own style. With lot of obstacles, he gained his capital for his business. He started his business to run 5 lakh rupee beyond much difficulties. He only work 10 hours a day. In future, if he have more customers, that man only appointment 2 workers if he is in need. Yearly turnover is above 5 lakh. He has no publicity for this role. Yearly turnover is above 5 lakh. He has no publicity for this role and his entity accustomed to begin owned by friend and friends of friend, family, colleagues, etc. To be noted, around his shop, he has 5 neighbor competitor shop, even though he is the best out of one, proving with customers' review. To improve his profit motive, he nearly suggests enroll with dealers in only past 2 years. The dealers he mentioned are Mahendra CL for past 1 year. It is located in Tirupur and Kerala. MDS Bakery, Sri Rangam Hotel, Venkateswaran Hotel, Sarana Sweets, etc. These are in Coimbatore. According to Mr. Rajesh, customer feedback is the best way of realizing that to achieve in his business, and he never felt wrong or depressed for selecting this field still now. In this interview process, I approve so many things. He has been very focused on his goals of starting an appropriate business into a printing press. He never allowed himself to get disturbed or to get out of focus from her goals, and he has overarching strategy and outlets the tactic to accomplish them. He did not ask questions about whether he could success or whether he could be worth of success, or he is confident with the knowledge that will make the business successful. He always had desire to win in whatever he does, whether it is a sport or business. He has been very determined about in plans and business. He look at his problem and opportunities which takes us on step near to success.